Hey ladies, in this video we're going to be talking about how to use Ulta rewards and Ultamate points. So Ulta Beauty's Ultimate reward program allows members to earn points on every dollar spent, which can be redeemed for discounts on products and services. Points are redeemed at a rate starting at 100 points for $3 off, with better value achieved by saving them for higher increments. For example, 2,000 points equals to $125 off. In order to go ahead and use it on store, all you need to do is inform the cashier at the checkout how many points you wish to use. Online, you can simply on the payment page select the numbers of points you want to redeem from the drop-down menu. You must have at least 100 points available to start redeeming. Points cannot be used at Ulta Beauty, at Target, DoorDash, or Instacart. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one.